In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a cute floral headband. You will need 2 different colors of yarn, hair ties or a headband, and 2 different colors of lace. Start by grabbing your yarn. We will turn these into flowers, which you can choose to turn into a headband or hair ties. Cut 8 pieces of yarn, measuring as long as you like. Fold these together like this. Make a knot in the middle. Make many more knots until you end up with a flower-shaped ball of yarn. Now grab a needle and a matching color of thread. Start stitching to secure. For decoration, grab some beads. Start stitching them in the middle of the flower. Grab one color of lace and stitch along the bottom line. Then pull this. Stitch the bottom to secure. Stitch this to the bottom of the flower. Now grab your other color of lace for the second flower. Fold this into a cute bow tie. Glue these onto a headband and you're done. I have one more trick to show you that you can make out of leftover yarn. Make a tassel out of any one color of yarn and add on some beads. Add more beads at the top to make it into a keychain. Stitch on some lace. And you're done. This trick only takes a minute to make. I hope you liked this idea. Follow my channel for more easy ideas like these.